close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Personally, I am still scared of this animal since childhood. Anyway, hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl, and if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video we are heading to Blue Post Hotel Thika, but first I had an interview that was abrupt, so I had to go fast for the interview before heading to Blue Post Thika, so tag along. So this was my interview outfit and it really looked good. I loved the fit, and after the interview I passed by odds and ends, still around the same vicinity as my interview, and here are some of the cute pictures I took of the place. They have amazing quality furniture, so if you're into interior design like I am, make sure you visit that place. The place is quite huge, so after I made rounds everywhere, I changed my outfit and then headed to Thika. So this is me at Ruiru, going to board a vehicle to Thika, and from Ruiru to Thika it's about 50 bob. Imagine, from Ruiru bypass to Thika it's only 50 bob. Ikienda sana 70, but I paid 50 shillings. Yeah. And that day it was such a coincidence that I met someone from Thika during the interview, and I asked them how I will maneuver to get to Blue Post Thika, and fortunately enough they gave me the directions. So I boarded a matatu from Ruiru bypass to Thika. I alighted at a place called Ngoingwa, and there I asked for matatus going to Blue Post Thika. It's 20 bob from Ngoingwa, so it's around 70 shillings from Ruiru bypass to Blue Post Thika using 2 vehicles. So guys, I had been planning to visit this place for the longest time possible, that is 5 or 6 months ago, and on this particular day I said, come rain come sunshine, I have to go. I scheduled to visit the place on a Friday, thinking that on a Friday watu watakuwa very few, because I don't love filming or going to places when there are a lot of people. I knew on a Friday people will be there, but not a lot compared to the weekend. So yeah, that was my plan, and unfortunately nilifika tu hivi kwa gate nikachoka, because there was a graduation for some institution held in that place, so there were a lot of people, and I was like, this is what I was escaping and this is what I am getting into. But I'm glad that the interview was abrupt. At least it occupied a couple of hours into my day's schedule, and yeah, I also had a good time despite people being a lot. I had a good time, and I would personally encourage ladies to be going out alone. Normalize going out alone. Thank me later.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
Sound of the waterfall was so calming. I would one day love to come back to this place when there are not a lot of people, and just sit and relax and even sleep to that sound. Let's get to learn a little bit about the Blue Post Hotel Thika. It was started in 1908 as a stopover for white settlers who lived and farmed in central Kenya. It is located at the periphery of Murang'a County on its border with Kiambu County. It sits on a 32-acre piece of land and between two rivers and two natural waterfalls, that is Thika and Chania Falls. There are a couple of activities in this place. One of them is this boat riding in this man-made dam. There's also horse riding and this free playground area for kids only, and an animal park that I am going to talk about when we get there.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
So here are the rates of the nature park. Personally, I paid $150 only for the animal park. If you've ever gone to Blue Post and gone for the nature walk, kindly let us know if it's worth the 400 Kenyan shillings. Personally, I see the 150 Kenyan shillings was worth the animal park.
For the land, let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Rusha mshale. At least imeamka. Imeamka. There were a couple of empty cages in the animal park. Also, the animals are quite a few of them. I don't think they surpass 10 species of animals in the animal orphanage, but it was quite an experience. At the animal park, there was a lot of space to just sit and chill. And since people were a lot outside the animal park around the hotel area, I decided to sit at the animal park and just relax. Despite people being there, watu hawakuwa wengi. So I had a good alone time over there, you know, just taking videos and enjoying the sun.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
Guys, a quick update on the interview I was going for. Yeah, I pretty much woke up early, prepared, and left home. And coincidentally, tukapatana na the person who referred me to that job, and we alighted. We reached. Actually, we had sat differently, but like he was there. And yeah, at least kutafuta the place haikuwa shida because he was there with me during the journey to the place. I arrived at 9:40. The interview was at 11. I arrived at 9:40, did my interview at 10. By 10:20 I was done. Yeah, it was pretty much fair. And one thing for sure, I was prepared for this interview, but you know, the questions asked were general, not what I was trying to grasp or anything. And one thing for sure, they were interviewing about beauty products, and I'm a makeup artist. I even forgot my shade of makeup because they asked me which Maybelline shade that was just a general knowledge question. Which shade of Maybelline I apply number 56. I actually forgot and said 50 something, but later on corrected. Yeah, so it was fair. I would say it was fair, and the interviewers were so nice. The HR was nice. The lady who sat on my left side, yeah, you are also good, just in case you bump into this TikTok. Yeah, But either way, I am good with whatever, whether I get the job or not. Right now, I am at a comfortable position, I would say that. Yeah. One thing that I have loved about the Blue Coast Hotel is the. Whew, and then see this. Oh my goodness. Where are you? Where is you? Let me show you. So I'm trying to get a view of the ostrich. Ilikuwa inatembea too heavy. Then I missed it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, one thing that I love about the Blue Coast is the Chania Falls view, and I haven't gotten to explore that more because it's Nib's graduation party and they were holding it in this hotel. I didn't know about it because I came here on a Friday. I came here on a Friday knowing very well I would avoid people because I was so scared of the ostrich, though people said it doesn't attack people, but I have seen it, tilt its head towards someone and it can really hit you hard in the head. That's why I was, staying away from it.
Never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.